everyone, welcome back again to my channel. And in today's video guys, as you can see, I'm here outside. Then I wanna flex you our beautiful view here in my home, in my place here in the mountain. Then in today's video guys, I want to show you how I cook pancit bihon. This is one of our Filipino food, popular Filipino food, the pancit. This is not make for a once only, but I think it at 3 times I make video for cooking a pancit, but there's a difference way and kind of ingredients like that of cooking. So let's get started. I wait just I want to see you guys. I just want to see you. This pancit is for our church. This is this because this day this is our first novena here. The first day of our novena, because novena is 9 days. So this is the first day because our feast celebration is coming. So let's get started. I will show you my ingredients. This is our the ingredients of pancit bihon. This is the bihon, guys. This one. Carrots and sayuti, cabbage, and I have canton, squid ball, shrimp cubes, chicken, bell pepper, onion, and garlic, oyster, soy sauce, and I have used oil here. So let's go cooking. So first, I need to put the pan. Ouch. The uh, the fire is very high. It's because of firewood that I use. First, I need to put oil to soak the chicken and the garlic and onion. And then after the garlic, and then after the chicken. And then let's add the squid ball. And then the oyster. Ouch. And the soy sauce. Ouch. And then the carrots and the sayuti. Because this is the hardest vegetable than the cabbage. And then water. And then the 2 shrimp cubes. Then let's add the magic syrup. Let's add the powder, pepper powder. And after how many minutes? Let's add the cabbage. And then the bell pepper. Oh. And then after, you don't need to overcook, guys, because we need to put this again later. Look, it's colorful. Oh, it's very hot. Sir! Oh my god, it's very hot. Then let's proceed the canton. This is my first time trying this kind of. And then the bihon. Oh my goodness. Mix it. Mix. Let's wait for about 5 minutes. And then let's add the vegetable. Wow! Some other side for this. Wow! Wow! It's cooked, guys. It's already cooked. Wow! Look at that.
O handa.
Jesus sa labing dakong nasugod nagipa April 26 sa ikatulungan novena sa Sabado mao si
Wala. 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 Higit na mo.